Hey, you incredible people out there. It's your faceless friend, the voice from the void, back with a story so wild it'll make your popcorn spill. Today we're diving, pun intended, into the Titanic, the ship that was supposed to be unsinkable until it sank. Why did it happen? Was it bad luck, bad design, or just humans being humans? Grab your lifeboats, or at least a snack, and let's sail into this disaster together. Picture this. It's 1912, and the Titanic is the rock star of the seas. This thing was massive. Think of it like the Burj Khalifa, but horizontal and floating. It's 882 feet long, loaded with chandeliers, a grand staircase, even a swimming pool. Because why not swim inside a ship that's already in the water? The builders, White Star Line, were like, "This baby's unsinkable." Spoiler alert, famous last words. They bragged so much, it's like they were begging the universe to prove them wrong. And guess what? The universe RSVP'd with an iceberg. April 14th, 1912. The Titanic's cruising through the Atlantic, everyone's sipping tea or dancing or whatever rich people did back then. Then bam, iceberg ahead. The lookouts spot it, but here's the kicker. The ship's going 22 knots. Fast enough to win a race, not fast enough to dodge disaster. They turn the wheel, but it's like trying to drift a shopping cart in a crowded supermarket. Too late. The iceberg rips a 300-foot gash in the hull. Water starts pouring in, and the unsinkable ship suddenly has a very sinkable problem. Why didn't they see it sooner? Well, the binoculars for the lookouts were locked in a box, and the key was somewhere else. Yep, someone forgot the key. It's like locking your phone in the car and then wondering why you missed a call. Now the ship's sinking and panic mode is on. Here's where it gets messy. There were only 20 lifeboats for 2,200 people. Do the math, that's like having one pizza for a party of 10. Women and children first, sure, but some boats left half empty because no one knew what they were doing. The band? They kept playing music as the ship went down. Talk about dedication. In 2 hours and 40 minutes, the Titanic was gone. Swallowed by the icy Atlantic, taking 1,500 souls with it. Chilling, right? After the Titanic, the world was like, okay, we messed up, let's fix this. They made new rules. Ships had to carry enough lifeboats for everyone. Radio rooms had to stay on 24/7, and ice patrols became a thing because apparently icebergs don't send RSVPs. But the real lesson, humans aren't invincible, no matter how shiny our toys are. The Titanic wasn't just a ship, it was a wake-up call. So there you have it, the Titanic, the ship that sank but left us with a story that floats forever. What do you think? Could it happen again, or are we smarter now? Drop your thoughts in the comments and tell me. If you were on the Titanic, what's the one thing you'd grab before jumping in a lifeboat? If you loved this deep dive, see what I did there? Smash that like button and subscribe. The voice from the voids got more epic tales coming your way. Catch you next time.